Y'all ready for this? Let's do Nigerian tag. Hey guys, so today I'm going to do the Nigerian tag finalmente. Yes, finally. So I'm going to do the Nigerian tag finally, and it's going to be a fun video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So the first question, what is your Nigerian name? Well, if you ask, my Nigerian name is Yvonne. Yes. Don't you like it? I love my name. Okay, where were you born? No, it says, were you born in Nigeria? I can't read. Were you born in Nigeria? No, I was not born in Nigeria, but I was born in the United States, the US of A, my adoptive home. Okay, your favorite Nigerian song. My favorite Nigerian song is Yvonne, 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 I want to marry you, so give me your love. Woo! Yvonne, 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 yes, I want to marry you. You do? So give me your love. Woo! Love that song. Alright. Favorite Nigerian food? Well, let's see. My favorite Nigerian food is rice and stew. Gotta get the classics. Gotta get that classic rice and stew. But I love suya and I love meat pie. Those two are like woo! Okay. When was the last time you were in Nigeria, and how many times have you been to Nigeria? Okay, last time I was in Nigeria was the end of May, beginning of June for a week or so, and I have vlogs when I went to Nigeria, and I'll have the links down below if you haven't seen them. And I've been to Nigeria so many times I can't even count. Since I was born, my parents always took, all our siblings always took us to Nigeria, like for vacation and holidays and stuff. So I've been every year, like we go every year, but it wasn't until like college when my sister and I didn't have the same schedules is when we had those gaps in between the last time we went. But yeah, that's how many times I've been. So many to remember. What tribe are you? I am of the Igbo tribe. How many Igbos are out there? If you're Igbo, please say Igbo kwenu in the comments. Thank you. And all my Yoruba people, hello. But I'm Igbo, so yeah. From Anambra. All my Anambra people, please, thumbs up, comments, let me know who's out there. Alright, do you speak your language? Well, I speak a little bit. I don't speak fluently. I can mix with the Igbo and English, but I will speak Igbo for you. Kekunume. Afambo Ifoma. Ima afambo Ifoma. Afambo Ifoma Chukwu. Abumoye Igbo. Abumoye Nigeria. Abumoye Anambra. Igbo kwenu. All my Igbo people, please. Comments down below. Okay, I need to stop because this is like really ridiculous. But I can speak my language. Not fluently, but I can speak Wantinti. However, I understand everything completely. Fanchanin. I'm not no. Alright, say something in your tribal language. I just did. And if you knew what I said, then you know what I said. What do you like most about Nigeria? I love, oh my gosh, there's so many things I love most. Well, I love just being around like the same, like my people, like people that are like me, like other Nigerians, because like living and growing up here in the United States is like you're around other types of people, but it's like when you're in Nigeria, it's like you're home, and it's like you're amongst your people, you know, your blood people, you know. So that's why I love most about Nigeria. It's that feeling of being like, you know, with my people. With my people. What do you hate most about Nigeria? I hate that it's not safe at times and in some areas, and that's what makes going to Nigeria kind of stressful at times, because you got to worry about security and can we go here and how do we get there. But that's what I hate most about Nigeria, is just all the crime and places that aren't safe. Do you have any Nigerian nicknames? I don't have any Nigerian nicknames. Boring. No Nigerian nicknames. Well, I can say that my dad named me Yvonne so that he can call me Fifi. But it's like, to this day, he's never like called me Fifi. And my other nickname, my mom has nicknames for like me and my brother and my sister. So my brother is Prince Charming, and Junior is Prince Charming, Inky is Sleeping Beauty, and I'm Princess Ada. So that's all the nicknames that we have in our house for us and for me. So yeah. What around your house represents your culture? Oh, I have my shirt. My shirt says I Heart Nigeria. I got it at the Independence Parade last year. Oh, I have this too. I have my flag. My Nigerian flag. My flag is an awesome flag. It waves from heaven above with purity, agriculture, and wealth. My flag is an awesome flag. My flag. Okay, that's enough singing. But yeah, if you came to my house and you saw this, you'd be like, oh, this girl's Nigerian. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. Alright, so what else? What is a ridiculous question you were asked about your culture? Where do I start? Story of my life. Oh yeah, so when Inky and I were in grade school and we go to aftercare, the aftercare coordinator, she asked us, so do you guys, no, she was like, how do you guys shower in Nigeria? And Inky and I were just like, in showers? Yeah. What do you know? Alright, next question. Can you cook Nigerian food? Yes, I can cook Nigerian food. I can cook a lot of Nigerian food. People don't think that I can really cook Nigerian food. But I can. And my favorite thing to make is, yeah, my most favorite thing to make and the most fun is like meat pie and suya. Like I love making suya, I love making meat pie. And I think I love making those because when growing up, anytime my mom cooked like chin chin, suya, meat pie, she would always make Inky and I help her do it. So it's like we've always known how to make it because it's like we grew up like that, you know. So, and it's always a time for all of us to like, me and my sister around to like bond and over cooking and stuff. So I love making suya meat pie because it gives me that memory, that feeling of, you know, like my mom teaching us how to cook when we were little and stuff like that. So yes. Next, what is your favorite Nigerian food to make? I already said that. Next question, name 4 Nigerian friends of yours. Okay, let me name like friends, not like family friends, because you guys know like family friends and stuff, they've been in the vlog stuff. But let me name like friends like that you probably never have. You? Okay, let me just start naming them. Okay, so my Nigerian friend, Kosi, I met Kosi here when I moved to Cincinnati, so that's my Nigerian friend, and she's Igbo too. T, you guys know T. T has been my friend since undergrad in college in Pittsburgh. Ezinne, hey girl, what's up? She's in pharmacy school in New York. And let's see, let me name one more. Who else? Who else? I don't know. I want to name like someone that you guys don't know of my Nigerian friends. Oh, Sandra. We went to pharmacy school together in Pittsburgh. So yeah, those are my 4 Nigerian friends. 4 Nigerian friends of many. Do you want to marry a Nigerian? Of course I want to marry a Nigerian. It would be an honor to marry a Nigerian because I feel like I want to have the life that my parents gave me, where like it was a Nigerian household and it was just common, just normal, just Nigerian parents and Nigerian this, Nigerian that, and Igbo this, and language this, and just having someone know your culture and your culture, can share the same culture as you and all that stuff like that. But that's just my personal preference. Okay, would you give your kids Nigerian names? Yes, I would definitely give my kids Nigerian names. Like, what do you think this is? So I still am debating if I want to give my children like all Nigerian names, or like how my parents did, Nigerian name and an English name. And my English name is Yvonne, if you guys don't know. But I'm still debating, because I do want to give my children like Nigerian names, like I mean English names and stuff, you know. I kind of like that. But we'll see. We'll see. Like if I have a husband, or I mean, hopefully I have a husband. If my husband, you know, I'll let you know like his opinion on it and stuff like that. But yeah, and then the next question is, do you have any ideas of names? Honestly, I really don't have any like ideas of like Nigerian names, but I do like the name Kenechukwu for a boy. I've always liked that name. I don't know why, I just do, but I don't know if I'll actually name my son that, but I just like that name. And I like my name, so. Okay, if someone came to your house, how would they know you're Nigerian? Well, I just waved my flag for you guys, so obviously. Oh, let's wave it again. Came to my house, you would know I'm Nigerian because I got my Nigerian flag. Oh, actually, you know, if you went in my closet, you would see all my Nigerian clothes. All my Nigerian traditional dresses. So that's how you would know I was Nigerian. And I have like 1 or 2 headscarves in my closet, like up top. So I guess that's what, you know. It's a Nigerian girl's closet. Yes, sirree, Bob. Alright. Anyways, I think that's enough for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I wanted to mention that I have reached 5,000 subscribers and I wanted to do a giveaway, but I wasn't sure like what kind of giveaway I want to do. I kind of wanted to make it like a fun challenge kind of thing and not just like, oh, like, comment here and stuff like that. If you guys have any ideas for video, because I'm running out of like camera space, have any ideas for not a video, 5,000 subscribers giveaway, let me know in the comments below. And also, thank you all for voting for me for the Star Central Magazine Beauty Girl of the Month for July. I'm in the lead still, and I hope I will stay in the lead, so please keep voting. Please keep voting for me. We're gonna vote for me. Vote for your favorite Nigerian girl, Yvonne. Vote for me. Become all of you. Vote for me. If you want to, I mean. Anyways, I'll see you guys on my next video, and I think that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tag, and if you guys have any other kind of videos you want me to make, comment below, let me know, and I'll see you guys later. Let me wave my flag one more time. My flag is an awesome flag, it waves. Can you guys hear like catching the air? Wave that flag, wave that flag. Okay, that's enough. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. We're just jamming to our jam.